Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you'll stick around, hit that red subscribe button, and become part of the family. So today we're doing an unboxing, and it is the Ipsy Plus for September 2020. So now Ipsy is doing that thing where you get to pick 3 of your products and they pick the other 2 for you. So I think I did pretty good with my picks this month. It definitely is kind of different doing it that way, but I kind of like it. So that way, at least you know you're going to get something that you like. This is the $25 a month box. They sent it the last 2 months in a bag, so I don't know why mine's in a box. I've been seeing people get theirs in bags, so I'm not sure why mine's in a box, but let's go ahead and get into it. Like I said, this is the $25 a month box. This is the middle tier of their boxes. So when you open her up, you see a Discover Yourself, and we have our little bag. So I don't know why it was in a box this month, but okay. So I do kind of like the bag. It's kind of nice. It's like a corduroy burgundy with tan straps. I kind of like this month's box or bag or box. So anyway, I have written down what the products are because Ipsy does not tell us that anymore and what they're priced at. I do have 2 add-ons in here, so I'm gonna grab the one that I see out first and get that out of the way. And then we can go ahead and get started with our little bag here. So the first item is from Murad, and I absolutely love this line because I do have some dark spots and I use the serum every single night. It is expensive, but this one, it's the dark spot corrector or something, but this is the same line that it comes from, and this is Essential C Day Moisture Broad Spectrum SPF 30. So it says, this one skincare step you can't skip no matter the weather or time of year, and that's sunscreen. Luckily, the SPF moisturizer makes it easy for you to use every day. And that's what I'm hoping, because I am really bad at putting on my moisturizer. So I'm hoping that this will, or maybe not moisturizer. I'm really bad. I put my moisturizer on. I'm really bad at putting on my sunscreen. So I'm hoping that this will really help that. And it says, and I'm sorry, I printed out my things because I don't have my iPad here. So I'm reading off the papers that I printed out. Because like I said, Ipsy doesn't give it to us. The lightweight texture is hydrating but not heavy, making the perfect protective moisturizer for all skin types. Broad spectrum SPF 30, the daily recommended value from dermatologists, protects skin from damaging UVA and UVB rays to prevent early skin aging and skin cancer. Vitamin C brightens up skin and helps fade the look of dark spots and hyperpigmentation, which is exactly what I use the serum for. And ginkgo, why is there always something I can't read? Biloba, B-I-L-O-B-A, leaf extract shields skin from environmental aggressors like pollution, weighing in at 1.7 ounces and valued at $65. So let me take it out and show you what it actually looks like. See how big it actually is. Okay, so it's a decent size. But there is the product. So happy to have this. I actually really wanted this because I haven't tried it yet. And I want the cleanser too. All right, so moving on to our next item. Let's see if I can find the card. Is it like visible? Here we go. All right, so the cards is a Good Vibes. September 2020. This month radiate positivity from trying a bold new hairstyle to finding the perfect fall lip color. When you embrace this season of change with an I got this attitude, the results will be out of sight. And then better together. Yeah. So the inside, I don't know why they started doing that. And it doesn't really tell you anything else, but They need to just put the information back on these cards again, because I don't like having to do this. All right, moving on to the next item. And this is, if I can get it out of here, from Space Case Cosmetics. Now, I'm glad, because I almost used my points for this. So I'm glad that I didn't. And here is what she looks like. And like I said, I picked this. And it says, custom eyeshadow palette filled with 4 metallic shimmer shades. And not rocket science, unicorn, ghost entered, the host, and Bellatrix. Okay. This celestial inspired palette is exactly what you need to create an endless array of out of this world eye makeup looks. These pillowy soft powders are ultra pigmented, can be applied with just your fingers, and are vegan and cruelty free. That's awesome. Long day, these babies won't fade or crease from your morning Zoom meetings to post-workout video calls with your BFF. Full size, and it is $32. So let's see what she looks like. Same casing on the inside, and then when you open it up, it does have a little mirror. Let's move that thing out of the way. And here are the shades. They're actually really pretty. So let's give her some swatches. And I just read the names off to you, how they put it in there. They're not the softest thing in the world. I do have a couple of their highlighters, Space Case Cosmetics from Ipsy. They kind of do look very pigmented though. And it's not a bad brand. See, it's not horrible. That's really pretty. And these are all one swipe, as you say. So there you go. There's that palette. I really like that pink one right here. That's really pretty. Okay. All right. Now let's go on to the next item. And this is the last item that I picked. And it is from Yensa. Right here. This is kind of cool looking though. This intrigued me. I don't know why I got this, but it definitely intrigued me. And the choices weren't that great this month. So I was like, okay, let's give it a shot. And this is Silk Bronzing Base and Brush. So that's a duo. And it says, oh, it's a cream bronzer. Okay. This cream bronzer gives skin the ultimate sun-kissed glow. Even if you didn't make it into the beach, if you didn't make it to the beach for Labor Day. I live at the beach, so I take it for granted. I'm sorry, but I went to the beach once this summer, and I literally live like 10 minutes from it, not even. I'm sorry. The lightweight silky texture blends into your skin seamlessly to make it look like you've just come back from a long vacay and not like you're wearing makeup. Okay. The Good For You formula is infused with 8 age-defying superfoods to hydrate and nourish your skin every time you swipe it on. Bronzing base weighing in at 30 milliliters and brush, whatever, 1 count. And this is a $50 value. And I do know that they do have skincare benefits in the brand. So, I mean, that's kind of cool. All right. Meaning of yen. Chinese, color and face. English, deep desire and passion. Vietnamese, calm and peaceful. Japanese, currency. Okay. You learn something every day. And then this is what you get out of your box. This is kind of cool looking though. There is that, and here's the brush. Let me get this off of here and see what we're working with. Okay, she's very soft and densely packed for sure. No bristles are coming out. So there's the brush. I actually like that. Would be a good foundation brush. Says Silk Bronzer on there. And then, oof, that cap just flew right off. It's got a little thing here. Ew, that's weird looking. Okay, let's see. I'm not going to use the brush, but I don't know about that. That's weird. It's like I barely even put anything in it. It's weird. Okay. So there is what it looks like. Let's see if I can like layer it. I don't know. I'm not going to knock it till I try it. I'm not really like the best with cream products, but I mean, I will definitely give it a shot. And with it having skincare benefits, I mean, that's an added bonus. This lid doesn't really go on there well, so I don't know how well that's going to keep the product. So we'll see about that. But here we go. There that is. All right. Move that out of the way. And then moving on to our next item. And it would be... Ready? We have some sheet masks. All right. So, I pulled the wrong paper. I enjoy getting sheet masks because I use them. Some people really don't like getting them, but I really do, and I'm looking forward to hopefully getting the 111 skin in BoxyCharm this month because they're really nice, super expensive, and these are actually kind of expensive too. So these are from Star Skin. They're not as expensive as 111, but for two of them, it's $17.25. And it is Firming Fast Face Mask and Glow Star Foaming Peeling Puff Set. Say that really quickly. It says, beloved by editors and pros alike, this set of hydrating and glow-getting treatments will get your at-home spa night going in no time. The close-up mask features a potent combo of hydrating glacier extract and triptide. One, a major skin restoring compound to help boost skin elasticity. Glow Star Foaming Peeling Puff is a unique puffy sponge soaked with a brightening formula of vitamin C and alpha hydroxy acids to gently remove dulling dead skins and acne-causing debris. Okay, no worries here. Every Star Skin product is PETA certified and free of parabens, mineral oils, synthetic dyes, and sulfates. I mean, it kind of sounds pretty intriguing. Let's see what it says on here. So this is the foaming peel puff. I've never seen anything like that. I thought these were two masks. So that's definitely pretty cool. It says step 1, cleanse face and pat dry, tear open both wait, we have to do both of these? Unless there's two of them in here. And then it says add a few drops of water into sachet. Squish to work up a lather. Gently massage skin in a circular motion for 2 to 3 minutes, concentrating on forehead and nose, and rinse face thoroughly with water and pat dry. Puff can be stored in 3 times use. Okay, so you can use this a couple times. And then this is a mask. So, I mean, I'm definitely really intrigued with that. So here's what I just read. That way you guys can see what I was talking about. Really, really intrigued with that. Okay. So we have one more item in here, other than my add-ons, and then we'll do that at the end. And we have something from, let's see. I don't know. I guess it's just called Go-To Skincare. I guess so. So it says, with a fancy cleanser like this, washing your face at the end of a long day no longer feels like a chore. It's a luxury. It's a luxury, you guys. It's made with an oil base to gently and effectively dissolve eye and face makeup. Yep, even the waterproof kind. Sunscreen and buildup. The end result, skin that's perfectly clean but not at all stripped. It does more than just cleanse. Thanks to nourishing vitamins, antioxidants, and fatty acids, this cleanser leaves all skin types feeling soft, smooth, and supple. No nasties here. This wash is all natural, vegan, and cruelty-free, and it is valued at $34. And it says Nourishing Oil Cleanser. We've included a lovely muslin cloth to get your oil cleansy, to get your oil cleansy way nice. Okay, looking for, my tweezers to get this thing open. let's see. Time to take this Mercedes cleanse for a ride. I am not kidding. It says that. That's cheesy. Okay. It definitely has a little cloth in there. I really like the packaging. It reminds me of the Peach and Lily. I think it's Peach and Lily. I really like that packaging. That's really nice. Fancy face. So, and it's a pump. Okay. And then here is our little cloth, which I think is adorable. Okay. You guys, I think that was pretty good. Now we have 2 add-ons. It looks, I thought I had another one. Nope, I guess I just have these 2. Okay, so we have another Huda Beauty, and this is in Passionista right there, lipstick. I think I already have this one, to be honest. If I do, then that'll end up going in a future giveaway. I'll have to look. I don't know where I put them. And then we have a highlighter from Ofra and a Covent Garden. I don't know if I have this either, so why would I get this? I'm not sure. I'm definitely not going to swatch this because I think I have this. So I don't know why I got this again. But yeah, I definitely have this. So here is what it looks like. Let me grab mine because it's right behind me. Why did I get this? Okay, so here is mine. This is the new one. So this is going to end up going into a future giveaway. I don't know why. I don't think that's what I asked for because I know I already have this. So I don't know why I got that. So I'll have to look into my account. But here's mine. And it is a beautiful highlighter. So there's what it looks like. And here it is swatched. It is really pretty. Ofra's highlights are amazing, so you can't go wrong there. But anyway, let's recap the box. We have a beautiful little bag, which I think is really cute. We have our fancy face with our little mask here. Okay, or a little rag, I should say. Let's put that in here. We have our Yensa bronzer and brush. The Space Case Cosmetics, which are right there, eyeshadow palette. And we have the Murad sunscreen. And I think that's it, right? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, so there is our Ipsy Glam Plus for the month. Let me know what you guys think. I will put the value of mine down below in my description box. And also let me know down in the comments, do you guys get this? What did you guys pick? I'm interested. I always love seeing what everybody else got. So thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and I will see you in the next one. Have a fantastic day, you guys. Bye.